So, guys, welcome back into a short but interesting and amazing video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the latest and innovative updates from the WhatsApp, that is the inauguration and incorporation of the AI feature into the WhatsApp chat. And this blue circle is a feature related to AI. Click on it and you can see application takes to the feature of ask Meta AI anything. There are some already built-in question and task which you can select to do from the Meta AI. For example, used car buying tips. Then the Meta AI is asking for some permissions, and the main thing is that the third point is personal messages stay private. Continue. And now you can see the Meta AI has answered some tips related to the buying old cars. You can say anything. Imagine life on the Mars. And here you can see imagination picture related to the question time to travel light. You can say something else. You can see the AI from the Meta is working interestingly very well. That question which I have asked with the AI Meta are just for an example. You can say anything, you can give any task to the Meta AI. I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.